Can you guess? Just by the ingredients, what we're making. I'm pretty sure the title probably gave it away as well. And look, we have best kitchen helper ever, and second best kitchen helper ever. Third best kitchen helper today is chilling in my office under my desk because the AC's cranked in here. It's summertime. It's summertime in northern Michigan. And you know what that means? Alpena strawberries, I'm telling you. I know most of you have never been to Alpena, but if you've never had Alpena strawberries, nothing compares. They're 10 times better than what's in the store. And because I have fresh strawberries, we're gonna make dinner. And this is what we're using to make dinner. And of course you guys have already been able to tell by the title and the thumbnail and all the things, we're gonna make strawberry salad because it's one of my favorite things to make in the summertime. And I guess some people don't know how to make it. There's a lot of different ways you can make it. We're gonna show you our version. And that's what we're gonna do right now. So you kind of already saw the ingredients. Again, everybody makes this a little bit differently. Some people use only spinach. I like a combination of spinach and romaine lettuce. Some people only use romaine. Some people use iceberg lettuce. Whatever type of lettuce you want, you're gonna need strawberries. Fresh strawberries are best for this, but if you have to buy them from the grocery store, that's fine too. We also need some pecans, unsalted. A lot of people use walnuts in this as well. I like pecans. I just think it tastes better. You will need some feta cheese. You will need some lazy people chicken. Lazy people chicken, because not only did I not have to cut it up, all I have to do is heat it up and it's ready. You're gonna need, if you want, you can also put some blueberries on this. You could put carrots in this if you want to. I didn't want to today. So it's really kind of a simple salad you just throw together. As for dressing, some people use balsamic vinaigrette. I like the raspberry vinaigrette sometimes, and then I really like this citrusy poppy seed dressing as well. But there's a lot of different dressings you could use for this. Choose one that you like. When I make this, I've done the balsamic vinaigrette and it's really good, but I like it to still have that like sweet taste and then a little bit of citrusy taste. So the citrus poppy seed is my favorite for this. Also, you can take a lemon and like squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice over it too. That's really good. But anyway, this is super easy. There's not a whole lot to it. I'm gonna show you guys how we make it. Soak and wash your strawberries, and if you're gonna use blueberries as well, soak and wash those as well. Mine have already been washed. Next, we're gonna cut up some romaine. How much? I do usually 1 heart of romaine. If you don't have one of these little mini salad spinners, you should get one because these are great. Put it in the spinner. Are you ready? We're gonna spin it and spin. Look at all that water that comes out of there. Nobody likes wimpy lettuce, right? Nobody likes wimpy lettuce. We're just gonna spin this and get all the water out. Nice clean lettuce into the lettuce box. Okay. She's waiting. They're both waiting. I don't know why you dogs like lettuce so much. Memphis loves lettuce. I don't know why. You wait till you see the spinach. She really likes spinach. Eleanor isn't too sure. She eats it because everybody else eats it. Still hiding in the office? Would you like some lettuce? It's romaine lettuce, not that crispy water stuff. She's like, I don't know about this green stuff. Yeah, that's weird, huh? Yeah, I'll get you a piece of spinach in a minute. I gotta wash it. Spinach! I don't like great big huge pieces of spinach, so I usually chop this up a little bit. And now the spinach in the spinner and spin it. Don't worry, you're gonna get a piece. Put the spinach in the lettuce box and I mixed it up together. Look at you. Look at you waiting. Like, Mom, it's spinach. I love the spinach. Okay, here. Loves spinach. I don't know why, but she does. You like spinach more than romaine lettuce too. You just take forever to chew it. Hi, Princess. This is better than the romaine. She's like, oh yeah, this is the spinaches. I love a spinach. Yeah, you're gonna tear it all apart. She's like, it's so good though. Nobody take it from me. It's my spinach. I will not let anybody take the spinach from you. He's like, yeah, I like this one. Now we're gonna cut up some strawberries. You can do this multiple ways. You can quarter them. Because these are small, that's what I tend to do with them. Look how little some of these are. They're so cute. Or you can like slice them. Slice your strawberries the size you want for your salad. You know how when you buy strawberries from the grocery store and you cut them open and they're white on the inside? They're not supposed to be. They're supposed to be red all the way through. That's a good strawberry. It's like candy. They're so good. Also, you don't have to use this whole bowl of strawberries. Like, I'm just cutting up some of them. I just washed all these because we're going to eat them. You want to try one? Look, I got this one cut up right here. Do you like a strawberry? She's like, yeah, them's not like the strawberries from the grocery store. How about you? It's a strawberry. God, you're way better than the grocery store ones. Here comes a strawberry. How many times am I going to have to wash my hands this video, huh? A lot of times. A lot of times. Delicious? Delicious. Now I'm going to prepare my chicken. You also don't have to put meat on this if you don't want to. You could use tofu. You could use chicken. You could use... I think you could use shrimp. That sounds weird. I've never had it with shrimp. If somebody in the comments has had this with shrimp or some other meat, let me know. Usually I have it with no meat or chicken. So let me know what you do. While my chicken's heating up, I'll get out my epic salad bowls. Those of you that do not know, we used to own a restaurant. These were actually deli salad bowls. Yeah, some of you may not know this, but we used to own a restaurant here in town, and these were my favorite salad bowls. So when we closed, I grabbed some for the house. I'm sure there's boxes of them somewhere, but this is what Jamie and I always use when we make our salads, which is the exact same bowls that we used at the deli. Put some lettuce in your bowls. Next, add some pecans. So the ones I have were halves, so I just cut them up a little bit so that they'd be easier to eat in the salad, but put some of those on there. The next thing we're going to be adding, and again, if you don't like it, don't add it. Add something else. But I'm telling you, it makes all the difference in this salad, is crumbled feta cheese. It's so good on this salad. It's what makes this salad. Okay, maybe it's the strawberries that make the salad. Yeah, we're gonna add some strawberries. None of this is measured. You just measure with your heart. You're making a salad. How much do you want? You know, enough. Enough to make it delicious. Yours looks beautiful.
Blueberries too.
I almost feel like I should put some blueberries on mine, even though I don't like blueberries, but now I'm tempted to try it. I'm gonna add a couple, because
really good.
That looks really, really good. Ooh, you're going with the raspberry vinaigrette?
Maybe. Yep.
Yeah.
When it comes out.
Look at that. I am gonna use the citrus poppy seed. I decided.
I might try a little bit.
Ooh, mix them together. Make sure you shake it up.
Okay.
Look, I did put blueberries on mine as well. It does look pretty good. It really does look beautiful. I tried to cut up the spinach so we wouldn't have them big chunks, but apparently I missed your chunk.
I like spinach. I like big.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and you mixed the dressing, so.
I did.
Is it good? Like that? Like you get a little citrusy and the raspberry vinegar?
There was a strawberry in that bite, so.
So it just tastes amazing.
Just tastes great.
Nice. All right, we're gonna eat some salad. So like I said, super easy to make, delicious, a variety of ways you can do it. I know most of you know how to make a salad, but some people don't. You'd be surprised. Some people are afraid to try things that they don't know how to do, so hopefully you learned something in today's video. Do the thing. Make the thing. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video as always. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.